So pour my 2 dashes of Angostura bitters into the glass. Do 2 dashes of my Cointreau. Equal parts gin and vermouth, because for 3 ounces, I like to use 1.5 ounces of each. Now, since the gin and vermouth are in the glass along with the bitters and Cointreau, I'm going to stir until the glass is frosted for about 20 seconds. Then I'm going to strain. Into a martini glass. Cheers. Ah, it's sweeter than your usual dry martini, but I feel like that balances out the gin and the bitters too. I can taste the orange flavor from the Cointreau too. It's really nice. Here we have it. Here we have it, folks. The Martinez cocktail. This is Noah from After 6 Cocktails, and have a good night.